am Nilunika Malinthi from DSTM Semester 1 at MSI. This year World Tourism Day is coming soon. It will be held on 27th of September. This year's theme is Rethinking Tourism. Along with that, our university is going to be organized an event for the development of the tourism industry in Sri Lanka. Therefore, we are planning to organize a panel discussion to talk about how to develop the tourism industry with rethinking concept. Because there are not enough strategies for develop tourism industry in Sri Lanka. Therefore, we have to introduce new ideas to develop our tourism industry. In our panel discussion, we are going to discuss about new innovative potential to develop the hospitality sector, travel sector and event sector. This discussion will held 5th floor of MSI on 27th. Get ready to develop Sri Lankan tourism industry with rethinking